Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom, making broiled salmon. I got beautiful 2-fillet salmon I cut into 1 inch thick. And then I'm going to marinate it with some ginger and garlic. Give them some Asian flavor. Ginger, fresh garlic and ginger is really good for you. And pinch of salt, lightly. Pour on the top. Of course, black pepper. And sweet chili sauce. This is for my kids. For the college kids. Drizzle, sweet chili sauce, nice glaze. That will help to coating the fish. Make them nice and tender. The idea is we don't want to make the fish like over dry. Some hoisin sauce just to balance the flavor. See, that's a good way to just spray around the sauce, cover up, and then I'm just going to marinate it like this, lightly. I preheat the oven to 500, pretty high. I usually put in for 10 to 12 minutes, so it will not overcook. And after you mix it up, kind of spread out nice and evenly so they have enough air, space to cook. You don't want them to stick together, you know? Like this, something like this, okay? Make sure. Very simple and easy to cook. Now I just wait for my oven ready. And I'm just gonna put this in, again, 10 to 12 minutes. Now my oven is ready. So I'm just gonna put it in and I'm gonna show you the finished product. 10 to 12 minutes. Depend how hot is your oven, okay? Okay, 10 minutes. Very fast. Look at that. Gorgeous. Nice and tender. That's how you broil salmon. I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16 pieces. Divided by 2 boys, 8 meal. Gorgeous. And this fish is ready to reheat. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. Easy and simple to make. So delicious. See you next time. Bye. Very tender. So delicious, so juicy. This is for my son, for the college kid. I got this salmon, kale and spinach, steak, some curry chicken with good sauce, some steamed rice. So this is easy for him to reheat. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.